Oh, hi friends, welcome back. I'm Ms.shirel. I'm so glad you're here. I was just about to go outside. Something really special is happening. Would you like to join me? Okay, good. Let's count to three. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. It is autumn. Do you know what autumn is? Well, it's one of the 4 seasons. Do you have 4 seasons where you live? Oh, well, I do. The 4 seasons that I have are summer, fall or autumn, winter, and spring. And right now it is autumn, which is also called fall. Do you see what's happening to all the leaves? The colors are turning a beautiful red and orange and yellow. Well, I wanted to go apple picking. Would you help me? Good. Okay, we have to stretch really high to get the apples. Apples in the tree, apples in the tree. Let's stretch, stretch, and pull one down. Yellow, red, and green, yellow, red, and green. Let's stretch, stretch, and pull one down. Apples up high, apples down low. Growing on the trees, try to shake them out with me. Put our arms together, 1, 2, 3. Now let's stand just like a tree. Let's go get the yellow apples now. Apples on the tree, apples on the tree. Let's stretch, stretch, and pull them down. Yellow, red, and green, yellow, red, and green. Let's stretch, stretch, and pull them down. Apples up high, apples down low. Growing on the tree, try to shake them out with me. Put our arms together, 1, 2, 3. Now let's stand just like a tree. Great, so we got the red apples, yellow apples, and now we need green apples. Let's go. Apples on the tree, apples on the tree. Let's stretch, stretch, and pull them down. Yellow, red, and green, yellow, red, and green. Let's stretch, stretch, and pull them down. Apples up high, apples down low. Growing on the trees, try to shake them out with me. Put our arms together, 1, 2, 3. Now let's stand just like a tree. Great job, friends. Okay, we got all 3 different apples. Yellow, green, and red. How fun. Oh, let's climb up on the tree. Oh. Hi, squirrel. How's it going?
Cheep, 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 cheep.
Oh no, it's not going so good for squirrel. He needs help.
Cheep, 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 cheep.
Okay, friends, you know how it's fall or autumn? Well, it's gonna get really cold and squirrel needs to find lots of acorns, but needs some help because he's only being able to find 5. Only 5 acorns? That is not enough for the whole winter. Going on an acorn hunt to help our friend the squirrel. Red or brown and circular friends. Spin when you see one. Let's march. We're going on an acorn hunt to help our friend the squirrel. Red or brown and circular friends. Spin when you see one. Oh, okay. Do you see one anywhere here? Any acorns? Oh, you just spun. Okay. Oh, I see one too. Okay. Let's put it in our basket. Ready? Let's keep looking. Going on an acorn hunt to help our friend the squirrel. Red or brown and circular friends. Spin when you see one. Our basket is finally full. Do you see Squirrel anywhere? Squirrel, we have your acorns. Oh, over there. Okay, Squirrel? Oh. I don't see him over there. Over there? Squirrel, where are you? We have a basket full of acorns. Is Squirrel playing around and hiding from me? Ah. Hi, Squirrel. Here you are. We have a full basket. Oh, friends. Oh, wow. Wind is blowing. The leaves are falling to the ground. To the ground. Oh, that's a lot of leaves. I can barely see you anymore. Can you find me, friends?